Hello, today I'm going to introduce one of the good functions supported on our UNV. This is one cost-effective way to provide good quality event recording, while in the meantime, it saves your storage space. Well, let's see how it works. Today we will introduce how to configure this function on web interface first. Here you can see we had a camera added to this UNV 516. Let's start. Here you can see we have a very high bitrate and high frame rate for this camera, 25 and around 5 megabytes per second. The main point for this video recording is we don't need to save all the recordings to our hard drive. That will cost a lot of storage space. The most important part is that motion recording or the other alarm recordings, a high quality motion recording and alarm recording. Here, let's go to the setup. Camera and the video menu. Three parts we need to pay attention. First is stream type. We have normal and event, bitrate, and frame rate. The configuration part is we need to lower down the frame rate and also bitrate. Now we can see that on the event recording settings, it is still a high bitrate and frame rate. Let's save this one. One another move after saving this configuration, we need to check on the motion. We need to make sure the recording is triggered on the motion part. Okay, now let's check how does it react. First, this is a normal recording. You can see here it has already lowered down to 10 frames per second and around 1 megabytes per second. Now let's try trigger the motion. Okay, let's see how does it change. Here you can see it is already changed to 25 per second and well, it's around 5 to 6 megabytes per second. This is how it's done. Now all the recordings saving to the hard drives, it'll be with a much lower down to the compared to saving all of the video with a high frame rates and bit rates.